Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Yes. Well, good afternoon, Om, Praniti, Vansh, Amrit, Kriti, Harshita, Jignesh, the other Harshita, Akshata, Prakriti, Ananta, Tanvi, Chanchal, Parth, Vaidehi. A very good afternoon to all of you. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed last time's session. Logical reasoning is very interesting and one likes to do things in there, and we are able to process that information very well. Okay, and some of you may have given your competitive exams in class 8, 9, 10th, all those like NTSC, etc. So that time also you must have done this. So for some of you it's been a very easy 20 marks, but for the others who are first timers who have never attempted such a thing, I hope your last time session was helpful. So today also the session is on directions, which is in a way easy, but maybe under the exam pressure we make a mistake, or sometimes just plain we make a error and then we get the wrong answer. But don't worry, I'm there for you, and we'll go in it together. What I keep suggesting is that you please keep watching these videos over and over again, because this, what you've heard for the first time, if you hear it for 2, 3 times more, things become more clearer, because that way, whatever knowledge you've gained during these 2 hours gets consolidated. Okay. And don't forget to strike the like button, press the like button also. Okay. That helps the institute to understand how well you have paid attention and how well you have liked it, and it helps them to improve more. Okay. So let us get started. So now there are 2 to 3 main concepts in directions. Okay. One is what is the north, south, east, west. Okay. In terms of the other, it is also this that we can do this in a way that it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then third important concept here is whether I'm facing the north or facing the south, then what will happen. Okay, so all those things we will be dealing with together. Okay. Also remember that it may seem a little slow in the initial time, first 10 minutes, but that is because you must get a bearing around the sense of direction. You have to pay attention to what is asked in the question. Sometimes, the drawing itself, you do it very well. Okay. But later on, what happens is while taking the answer, you press the answer wrong. Why? Because you did not pay attention to what is asked. So that also we will be covering up. Okay. Yes, Amar, Mohammed, Asha, Vaidehi, Aditi, Shalini, Shreya, Deepika, Divjyoti, Vani, another Deepika, Sita Lakshmi, Vishakha, Pratyush, Nazia, Mandeep, Dhruv, Akshata, Swapnali, Shreya, Kavitha, Sandhya, Varun, Palak, Aditya, Amar, Harshini, Chanchal, Arit, Nishana, Pavan, and Priyadarshini. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, ek mahina beet gaya. Very nice. You remember this? Yes. Yes, Om. Thank you so much for the message also. Yeah. So now you may say, we know all this, we know where the north is, we know where the south is. Okay. But when we are doing the sums, or when something is asked, what happens is that we may get a little worried, or lose track of the direction. So what we are going to do here is, first we're going to identify. It's always nice to identify. When I'm talking of north, I should think about Kashmir, okay? Or I should think about Delhi, okay? Whichever is easier for you to remember. When I'm thinking of south, I should think about Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari or Chennai. Then when I'm talking of west, I must think about Mumbai. Okay. And east, I must think about Kolkata. When I'm talking of northeast, I must think about Assam. When I'm talking of northwest, Rajasthan. And southeast, I can think about the beautiful Pondicherry. Okay. So if this kind of map is there in your head, what happens is that it becomes easier. You know, when they say Ramesh started walking towards the north, you quickly think, Arey, he's going by train to Delhi. Or he's walking towards Delhi. Okay, even that way also. Instead of, if you're comfortable with north, south, no problem. If not, at least think in terms of this. Think of the geography. Then it becomes easier for you to relate to it. Okay. Then also pay attention in the question is what is it that they are saying, where the person is facing. Okay. Is he facing north? Is he facing south? Is he facing east? And or is he facing west? Okay. This is very, very important. Now, if the person, if suppose you are standing, okay, if you are standing here and you are facing north, if you are standing here and you are facing north, the east is going to lie towards your right hand. Okay. This you have to keep fixed in your mind. Okay. When I'm facing the north, then my east is going to lie towards my right hand side. Okay. Just remember one. If you start trying to remember everything, then it becomes messy. Okay. Facing north, east is towards my right hand. Okay. This is what is important. Okay, so when I'm here, standing here, facing north, that is, I'm facing Delhi, Kashmir. Okay, and this is assuming I'm standing in the center of the country. That is, maybe I'm at Nagpur or something, and or Madhya Pradesh. Then and this can happen. Okay. Now remember, for those who come from a vernacular medium, जिन्होंने इंग्लिश में ये सब नहीं सीखा है, तो उनके लिए बता दूं. This is your north. This is your south. S stands for south. This N-E stands for northeast. E stands for east. SE stands for southeast. And W stands for west. And SW stands for southeast. Oh, we forgot to assign a state or place. So southwest, you can think about Goa. Okay. So this is how you should imagine. Okay. So north, south, east, west, 4 directions. And the other 4 directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay. So if I try to draw a circle here, in terms of only directions, okay, in terms of only directions, what will happen? This side is my north. At an angle of 45 degrees, this will be my northeast. Another angle of 45 degrees, this will be my east. another angle of 45 degrees. This is southeast. Why I'm telling you the angles also is because sometimes they will say he made a 180-degree turn. Means what? Okay, so these all angles are 45 degrees. Then towards, this is my south. Then another 45 degrees, I have my southwest. Another 45 degrees, I have my west. Another 45 degrees, I have my southwest. Okay, have you understood this? This is the diagram that this will look when I am facing the north. Okay, when I'm facing the north, the east will be on my right hand side. When you just remember this statement, okay, I'll just write it down also someplace. Yeah. Whenever, not why do I need it ever? When I am facing north, the east is to my right. Okay, this is the shortcut for this chapter. Okay. Why they long time no see? I was there. Yes, Mandeep, good afternoon. Yes, Harshita, southwest. West is Rajasthan. West, you Gautam, west you think of Mumbai. North, west you will think of Rajasthan. Okay. Oh yes, sorry. This is northwest. This is my northwest. Yes, thank you, Dipanshu. Yes, Yash. Uzair, good afternoon. Anushka, good afternoon. Understood? Yes, understood. That's very nice. Now, let us go to this where the person is facing south. Okay, if I'm facing south, so what will happen is then east will be on my left. Okay, then the east will be on my left. Okay, so here I will just add the sentence when I am facing south, the east is to my left. Okay, that is one thing that we are talking about. The other thing we talked about is when I'm facing south. Now, what happens is there's one more thing. Like you may have this person sitting like this, or sorry, standing upside down. So, what will happen in this case? We'll have to see. Can you tell me if this person is like this is his north, what will be this side? It will be the south. So, when this will be his left hand or right hand, what will that be? Just tell me, and which direction will that be? Okay, just put it in the chat box. Which direction will it be? Yes, quickly tell me. The arrow that I have put, which is that direction? Will that be his left hand or right hand, and what direction? Okay, Vaidya is saying this is his right hand and towards the east. Okay, Sadab is saying it's a left hand. Vaidya, he is saying right hand east. Om is saying left east. Left, left, left. Right, west, like frame. Decide on what you want. Okay. So when he is upside down, if this is the north, what will this happen? Okay. And similarly, if this is his south, if he's facing south, then what will be this hand? If he's facing south, what will be this hand? This hand will face his west. Okay. This is south, this is north. Okay. So this is his east here. Okay. So these are the two main things that you must remember. Now let us go to the sums, and then from there we will go forward. So as we keep doing this, you will be able to understand it. Okay. Man starts from point A and walks 1 kilometer towards south. Okay. Okay, this is point A. Then he walks 1 kilometer south. Okay, he walks 1 kilometer south. So this is the direction he's walking. Turns left. Okay, now he's turning left. So when you're facing south, okay, when you're facing south, this is your towards south, what will happen? This will be your left hand side. Okay, remember, when you're facing south, this will be your left and this will be your right. When you're facing north, this will be your left side, this will be your right side. Okay, just remember these two things. Now when I'm going south, this will be to my left. So Mohan walks 1 kilometer towards south. So what I usually do, I write like this: south 1, turns left. Okay, so turns left, walks 1, turns left again. So left, walks 1. Okay, so that what happens is, when I'm drawing, I will not forget. I will see, okay, there are 3 things that were given to me, and whether or not I've used all 3 things. Okay, so first thing is, he walks towards the left 1 kilometer. So I'll just write south 1 kilometer. Turns left. So he's turning left. So I know for a person facing south, this is his left hand side. What is he doing? L1. L1 means left again, one side. 1. And then he turns left again. Now he's facing the east. What will be his left? This will be his left. Okay, so this will be his left. So he's facing east. He's moved left towards, he's moved 1 kilometer, and now L1. So left 1. Now always see, this is also 1, this is also 1, and this is also 1. So what eventually you're getting is a square structure. So he's come here. This is his start point. This is his start point, and this is his end point. Clear? Now he's facing. Okay, they are asking which direction is he facing. So he's facing this direction. What is this direction? This is the north direction. Okay. I'll just repeat. Now what do I have? I have from the point A, I'm walking 1 kilometer south. Mohan is walking 1 kilometer south. And once he's walking south, I know this is my left, this is my right. Okay. So you just have to remember that much. Then again, left 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer. That means this is my left and again 1 kilometer. Then this is my left. And which direction? They are just asking you the direction. This is, as you know, this is my north, south, east and west. So which direction is this? This is my north direction. And therefore the answer is north. Understood? Quickly tell in the chat box. Yes, Amo, Karit, Yash, Mogan Priya, Amar, Harshita, Chanchal. Nishana, don't worry. We are solving this very slowly initially, okay? Very good. Monish, Asha, Vidushi, Vishakha, Vani, Anjali, Abhiraj, Gagan, Sita Lakshmi, Pratima, Prakriti, Mandeep, Gautam, Devjyoti. Understood? Excellent. Amit, clear. Janavik, clear. Akshata, Priyadarshini. Yes, Neha, it was easy because it was the first sum. So let us go. And it is easy, you know, if you do it carefully, it is easy. No doubt about it. Okay. So let's start from a point. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to first write down. Suraj starts from a point and walks 2 miles towards south. South, 2 miles. Turns right and walks 1.5 miles. And then turns left and walks half a mile. Okay. And then turns back. Back means he is turning 180 degrees. Okay. Which direction is he facing? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4th. Okay. And there, what is the question? Direction he is facing. They're not talking with reference to any point. Okay. So this is only direction. Okay. So simple sums initially. Okay. So I'm standing here. So this is my start point. So Suresh starts from a point, walks 2 miles south. Okay. S2. So south 2. When I'm facing south, this is my left-hand side. Okay. This is my left-hand side. They are saying he turns right. That means he has to go right this way. So how much is he walking? 1.5. Okay. And then turns left half. So when I'm like this, walking like this is my left. So I'm going to go like this. So how much? 0.5. Okay. The figures, like how many kilometers right now in simple questions, they're just meant just for you to have a gauge how far he is. But when these sums become complicated, then you will have to use the values also. But right now, you don't have to worry about this. So which direction is he facing? They are just asking which direction. So which direction is he facing? He is facing the, which direction is this? This is my north. This is my east. This is my west. And this is what? This is the south. Okay. Isn't he facing the same direction? So C, the south will be the answer. Clear? Clear? Yes, Lavya. You didn't think you will practice like this? Oh, very nice, very nice. Vaidehi, you have practiced number series 2 times. Excellent. All of you take encouragement from her and do it. Harshita, you want me to repeat? Fine. Okay, Sneha is saying she has seen the recorded classes even before this batch started. So that is why it is easier for her to solve. Excellent. That is the way forward. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Deepika is saying we left out. That's what happens. Okay. There are 4 things. So now you understood why I said that you have to write like this. This is my first, this is my second, and this is my third. And I have done what most of you do is this. There is a fourth thing. So I have done 1, 2, 3. And what happens? Turns back, we keep forgetting. And that is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so he turns back. I was waiting for any one of you to answer. Yes. So what is the answer? He turns back. Okay, he's turning back. And he turns back. How will he turn back? This side. And so, which direction is this? This is the north direction. Okay, so this is an important sum because here it is one. He is turning back. Okay, and when they are saying turning back does not mean वहाँ तो लिखा नहीं है पूरी तरह घुमा आधा घुमा. That just means you are turning 180 degrees. Okay, if they wanted something else, they would have written it that way. Okay, so he was facing the south, but the last thing was he's turning back. And so when it is back, so not south, but north will be the answer. Okay. Excellent work. Excellent. I am so happy you're paying attention, all of you. Now, a man starts from a point, walks 4 miles towards north. Okay. So north, 4 miles. Turns left and walks 6 miles. Turns right and walks 3 miles and again turns right and walks 4 miles. So right 4 miles. Takes rest for 30 minutes. Okay, so this will not affect our answer. Okay, okay, so this is not. He gets up and walks straight 2 miles. So right 4 miles and then again same direction 2 miles. So that effectively is this 4 plus 2 in the same direction. This is very important, in the same direction, and turns right and walks 1 mile. Okay, what is the direction he is facing? Okay, what is the direction he is facing? This is very important that we understand that what is the question. Okay, once we'll be doing the next question, you will understand the importance. Why I keep telling you read the question, read the question. This is because of this. Okay, so I suppose he's starting from here. Now a man starts from a point and walks 4 miles towards the north. Okay, so he's walking 4 miles towards the north. Turns left. When he's walking towards the north, this is his left hand side. Then he turns left and walks 6 miles. So this is 4. And then he's going a long way, 6 miles. Okay. Now once he's facing this will be his left. 4 miles and turns left. Okay. Walks 6 miles and turns right. Okay. Now this place is not enough for me. Just let me. Okay. I will do it this way. He starts from here. He walks how much? 4 miles. And then he walks left and he goes 6 miles. Okay. This much is okay. This is his left. But what is it? Right, he walks 3 miles. Okay. So now this point, he will go to the right and walk 3 miles. Once he's walked 3 miles, this is his left hand side. But the next is he'll walk 4 to the right. Okay. He's moving here 4 to the right. Okay. Here he's taking rest. But he's getting and walking straight 2 meters in the same direction. So for 2 meters, that 2 miles, so same direction. Okay. Now you see this is 6 and this is 4 plus 2. This is also 6. So he has come. This was your direction. This was your starting point. This is the point above this, and this is also he has come here. Okay. So 4 plus 2. Then he again moves to the right. So this is this is his left hand side. What is he doing? He is moving towards the right to 1 kilometer, right to 1 mile. So where is he? This is his stop point. What is the direction he is facing? Okay. What is the direction he is facing? This is my north, this is my east, this is my south, and this is my west. So this direction, what is this direction that he is facing? Which is this direction? This is the south direction. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 things were given and we have used all the 6 things. Okay. Yes, Srishti understood. Harshita also. Yes, Deepika. Very nice. Parvati. Yes, Parvati. Yes. Yash, Chanchal. Yes, Chanchal understood why in the earlier sum north is the answer and not south because of this very thing. Hmm? Yes, Bipasha. Mohammed, Vishal, Priyadarshini, Chanchal, Gagan. Yes. Yes, Vishal, I can see your question. Okay. Pallavi. Yeah. Yes, Monesh, Anushka, Sita, Lakshmi, Sakshi, Gani. I got the crystal sign from him. Yes. Dev Kumar, easy. Avesh, you enjoy my teaching? Good. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay. Now, fourth sum. Arun starts from point A and walks east 10 kilometers to the east to the point B. Then he turns to the north and walked 3 kilometers to the point C and then turned west and walked 12 kilometers to the point D and then turned south and walked to the point 3 kilometers to the point E. In which direction is he from the, which direction they are asking? From the start point. Okay. Arun started walking from point, and it's always a good thing to read it twice. Okay. It hardly takes 10 to 15 seconds more, but it is good that you do that so that you know you have not skipped something. Arun started from point A and walked 10 kilometers to the east to point B, then 3 kilometers, then turned to the north and walked 3 kilometers to the point C, and then turned west to and walked 12 kilometers to the point D, and then again to the south, and he walked 3 kilometers to the point E. In which direction is he? Okay. So I'm starting, suppose here, this is my point A. He started walking east. So this is his east direction. Okay. When we are talking of this, that we are assuming the person is standing facing north. Okay. So don't get confused. Normal, like we are standing and then when we say walk towards the east, I will walk towards my right hand side. Okay. So how much is he walking? 10 kilometers. Then here, this is his left hand side. And then he's moving towards the north. North, how much? This is no, this is point B, north to 3 kilometers. Okay, 3 kilometers. Okay, this is his point C. He turns to the west. Okay, so west is this direction. West is towards his left. And he's walking how many? West 12 kilometers. So this is 10 kilometers. He will move more than that. Okay, so this measurement is for you to understand. So this is 12 kilometers to the point D. Okay, and then he moves south. Okay, when he's facing this, he's moving south to the point E. And how much is this? This is 3 kilometers. Okay, I'll make a little bigger one. Okay, so this is 3 kilometers, walks to the point E. Okay. Now this is also 3 kilometers. This is also 3 kilometers. So effectively you are having a rectangle. Okay. Effectively you are having a rectangle. So in which direction is he from the starting point? Okay. So what happens here? Earlier question, what direction is he facing? So questions may be asked like what direction is he facing? Then another question will be what direction from starting point. Okay. So that is why it is very important that you read the whole question. Okay. What direction is he from the starting point? Or you may even have a question like, how far is he from the starting point? Okay. That time you will just have to do the simple addition subtraction. Like in this case, for example, how far is he? So this is how much? This is 2 kilometers. Okay. 2 kilometers east of the west of the starting point. Okay. So you have to just think of what the question is asking. Now, in which direction is he from the starting point? Okay. So what are they asking? Which direction? What is his starting point? This is his starting point. And what is his end point? This is his end point. From the starting point, which is the direction? This direction. This person is facing the north. Okay. So what do I have? This is my north, this is my east, this is my south, and this is my west. So this direction, what is this? This is my west direction from the starting point. So answer will be this. Okay. E is to the west of A. So they are enjoying class? Yes. Yes, Mohammed, they are just timing the to add to the confusion. So that is why I keep saying that this chapter is very easy provided you are reading the question. And that is why I gave you a hint by starting this question that you must read the question twice. Okay, you have to just see what they're asking. Okay. Yes, please. I have read your thing. Apurva, I will look into that question also. Okay. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Yes, very nice. Nadia is saying if they had asked you what direction is he facing, answer to the first question. Very nice, Nadia. That means that time the answer would have been he's facing south. Second question, what direction is he from the starting point? He is to the west. Third, how far is he from the starting point? Answer will be 2 kilometers. Okay, or 2 miles. No, it's kilometers here. Very nice. Monish, yes. You like my teaching very good? Understood the topic? Yes. This topic you understand and the more you practice, you will get. Yes, Akriti, it's a interesting sum. Why they you will find this interesting? Obviously, you take the pressure of formula in maths and statistics. You should not do that. If you start practicing more over there, that also will become very interesting. And as I keep saying, it is okay if I get the answer wrong in one time. Like in this case, I by mistake, that was a mistake. When I wrote southeast and southwest, that writing was a mistake. But while solving, I purposely wanted to see how many of you noticed that it was written that he turns back. Okay, so when you make a mistake, it's okay. You can always come back from the mistake. If you don't try, how will you learn maths? Okay, maths is all about trying to solve it on your own more and more times. Okay, very nice. Apurva, Tanvi, Chanchal. Yash is saying if he walked only 2 kilometers from D to E, what will be the answer? Then what will be the answer? Then he is towards the northwest. Okay. So what he is saying is, suppose the question was like this. Okay. This is not there in the question. This is just his doubt. This is A and this is the point E. Okay. So what will happen here? This is my north. This is my west. He is standing here. So which direction is this? This is my northwest direction. Okay. So that also you should understand. Okay. A starts from a point and walks 5 kilometers north. Okay, so north 5 kilometers. Then turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Then again turns left, walks 5 kilometers. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, this is where A is here. A starts walking 5 kilometers north. When the moment I draw this, I put the L wherever it should be. Okay, so L. Then he turns left. Okay, then he turns left. Okay, so he's turning left, walks 3 kilometers. Okay. So once I draw this, I put an L. Then again turns left. So he's turning left and walks 5 kilometers. Okay. This is also 5. This is also 5. Again, you have a rectangular situation. So then again, point out the direction in which he is going now. Okay, कौन से direction में जा रहा है बंदा? तो ये कहाँ जा रहा है? ये जा रहा है south. ना इस तरफ है. So he is going south. Okay, so just tell you again. Point he is starting is from point A. A starts from a point, walks 5 kilometers north. So north. This is my north direction. This is my left hand side. This is 5 kilometers. Again turns, goes 3 kilometers to the left. Again turns left. So again turns left, walks 5 kilometers. So this is also 5. This is also 5. These 2 points will lie on the same. So he is walking like this. So point out the direction in which he is going now. So he's going now in the south direction. Okay. Yes. Now let us go to the next sum. Harshita, which question? This question only you want? Earlier one? Okay. See what is happening here, Harshita? That the person is standing. He is going towards the east 10 kilometers. Okay. So he's starting here. He's going towards the east 10 kilometers. Okay. This is his left hand side. Then he turns north. In this question, he's not turning left, right. They're just giving you the direction. That's good enough. So he is going north. How much? 3 kilometers. Then he goes west. So west is this direction. Okay. Normal east, south, north, south, east, west. Why I have drawn this line more than this line? Because now he's going 12 kilometers. Earlier 10 kilometers, this is 12. And then he moves south 3 kilometers. Okay. South 3 kilometers. This is also 3. This is also 3. This is his point A. This is his point B, point C, point D, and point E. That means this is going to complete a rectangle. Okay. So in which direction is he from the start point? They're not asking you. If they ask in which direction is he facing, the answer would have been south. But here they're asking which direction is he from the start point. ये उसका start point है. Okay, this is his start point. This is his start point and this is his end point. Okay. From A to E, when I look from A to E, which direction do I go? This is my west direction. Okay. Therefore, the answer is west. Okay. This one also, I hope you've understood. Okay. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Yes. Asha Chanchal, Sita Lakshmi, Om, Mandeep, Prakriti, Sakshi, Mohnish, Varun, Swapnali, Pallavi, Lavya, Komalpreet, Vishakha, Bhumika, Tanvi, Dev, Sneha. Vishakha, you have lots of mock tests, you could do that. Now let us see. A rat runs 20 kilometers towards east. Okay. East 20. Then he turns right 10 kilometers. Then he turns left. Then he turns right and runs, I think it is 9 kilometers. And again turns left 5 kilometers. Then again left 12 kilometers. And finally left 6 kilometers. Okay. Now I have to be careful. Rat runs 20 kilometers towards east. Okay, this is one. Turns right and runs 10 kilometers. This is correct. And turns right and runs 9 kilometers is correct. Again turns left and runs 5 kilometers. And then turns left and runs 12 kilometers. And finally turns left and runs 6 kilometers. Which direction is the rat facing? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just also ensure you've written everything down. Okay. His turn runs towards the east. Okay, so when I'm facing the north, the east is to my right hand side. How many kilometers? 20. This is 20. This is his left. So he turns right and runs 10 kilometers. So right 10 kilometers. Here's here. This is his left. Turns right. अरे बाप रे, ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई जगह. To begin again. Okay. A rat runs 20 kilometers towards east. So he's here. 20 kilometers towards east. So this is his left. He turns right 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometers. And then when he's like this, so this is his left hand side. He turns right. So he will be moving right and 9 kilometers. Okay. So this is right. Right, he turns 9 kilometers. So this is his left hand side. Now he turns 20. So E20 we have done, R10 we have done, R9 we have done. Now he turns left and runs 5. So this is his left, he turns 5. So when he is here, this is his left hand side. And again turns left. Okay, so he's going left here 12 kilometers. So he's going like this 12 kilometers. And finally left to 6. So this is 5 kilometers. So my line will go more than this. So left, because this was my left and he is gone like this for 6 kilometers. Okay. Now what direction is the rat facing? Okay. What direction? North. Right? Understood everybody? So we have done E20, R10, R9, L5, L12 and L6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, always check. Shama is understood. Mansi, yes. Your Durga is enjoying my class. Ayush and the others who put in your questions, I will definitely see them. Yes, Vaidehi, you're solving this. Got it? Swapnali, understood Akshata, Sneha, Vani? Yes, very good. Excellent. Let us go to the next one. Okay. A driver left his village and drove north for 20 kilometers. North for 20 kilometers, he had breakfast. Then he turned left and drove another 30 kilometers, then had lunch. After rest, he again turned left and rode 20 kilometers for tea. After some rest, he again turned left, drove 20 kilometers, and drove 30 kilometers to have supper. After evening tea, in which direction did he move? Okay, I'll just read again. Driver left his village and drove north 20 kilometers. He had breakfast. Then he turned left and drove 30 kilometers for lunch. After rest, he turned left and drove 20 kilometers for evening tea. Once again, he turned left and drove 30 kilometers to reach the town where he had supper. After evening tea. So see now what they have, they've added a clause. After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? So they've given you the whole picture, but they're asking you a specific place. Okay. So a driver left his village and so suppose he's here. Let's make it in the center. He's here. He drove north. How many? 20. Then he had what? Breakfast here. Then when he's like this is my left. He had 30 kilometers of travel. He reached this point where he had lunch. Then again, so this is his left, again left. How much? 20 kilometers where he had tea. And this is his left, again left 30 kilometers. So he had supper here. Okay. So eventually, see what you can see is again that this is a proper rectangle. 20, 20, 30, 30. This is the direction he went. Then this is the direction he went. Then this is the direction he went. What is the question? After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? He moved left. But what is this direction? This is the east direction. Okay, so east will be the answer. Okay. So they have not asked how far is he from the starting point, etc. Because if that was the question, then he is at the starting point once again. So he is drove back to, like when you go for where your father goes for a tour or your mother goes for a tour and then she comes back. Okay. So similarly, or you went for a one-day picnic. So dinner you usually come back home and have. Yeah. Okay. Janvi rat. Vaidehi supper means dinner. When you have dinner a little earlier, it is called supper. Yes, Amar, very good. He tries to solve on his own and then he checks the answer with me. Understood, Asha? Tea, lunch, breakfast, all are there for confusion only. Yes, Mohammed. They're just trying to tell you that even with a lot of written information also, you will be able to solve it once your focus is clear. Okay, a man facing east. See, okay, this is very important. He's already facing east. Okay, so this question, the east is very important because already facing east. So when I am facing east, any person is facing east. Okay. So what will be to his north? What will be? So this will be his effectively north. So he is facing east, and this will be to his left hand side, and this will be his right hand side. Okay. So, okay, so just remember this. This will be to his left. A man is facing east, he turns left and goes 10 kilometers, then turns right, goes 5 kilometers, and then goes south, goes 5 meters to the south, and from there 5 meters to the west. Okay, and what direction is he from the original point? Okay, so the person is standing here. As I told you, this is his left hand side. He's facing east. Okay, so his this side, then he turns left. So this is his left hand side. And from left, he goes 10 kilometers. Then right. So here, this is his left. This is his right. So here, he goes right for how much? 5 kilometers. And goes 5 meters to the south. Okay. Then goes 5 kilometers to the south. And west. From here, he's moving to the west. So when he's facing south, and from west, he is like here. Okay. This is his start point, and this is his end point. Because this is 5, this whole thing is 10, and so this distance will be half. In which direction is he from his original place? What direction is he from? This is original place, and this is which direction? This is the north direction. Okay. Ninth sum. From her home, Prerna wishes to go to school. Okay. From the home, she goes towards north, and then turns left, and then turns right, and finally turns left and reaches school. School. Okay. Not T. School. Home. Okay. She is going from. Okay. Let this be Prerna's home. Okay. What is she doing? Prerna goes towards the north. When this is the north, this is her left. Then she turns left. Okay. Then this is her left. Okay. This is north. Then she turns left. Then she turns right. So right. This is her right. And this will be her left. And again she turns left. Okay. And then she reaches home. North, left, right, left. Okay. So this is her school. So she has reached school. Okay. In which direction her school is situated with respect to her home? This is my north. So her school is here. Her home is here. Sorry. Her home is here. Okay. And where is her school now? This direction. Okay. So this is this direction. Her school is this. What is the, sorry, this bit. Not school, just let me first write north, south. This is north, this is south. What is this? This is the northwest. Okay. So from her school, what is the direction? Her school is in this direction. This is also what? This is the northwest direction. Okay. How time is flying. Yes, Neha, answer is visible to me. Mandeep, you are saying question number 8 and D is south? Why so? Which direction is he from the original place? He's supposed to be north from the original place. Because this is his start point, this is his end point. Okay. Let us check with the institute material also. Okay. Yes, crystal clear. Northwest, northwest, north. Oh, wonderful. Vaidi is saying Barish or Aapka class perfect combo. Great. Thank you. Mohammad Akshata, yes, we will be taking a break. Let us do at least one sum before we take the break. Okay. A child walks 25 kilometers north. Okay. So north 25, then turns right and walks 40, then turns right and again walks 45, then turns left and walks 20. He turns left again and walks 20. Finally, he turns left and walks another 20. In which direction is that child from its starting point? वो अपनी मम्मी के हाथ से थोड़ा दूर है. मम्मी अब एक झापड़ देगी उसको, इतना घूम रहा है. Okay. A child walks 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there are 6 things that I should know of, and we have written that. Okay. Starting point. Color this starting point. I hope the place is enough for me to draw. Walks 25 to the north. Okay. He's walking 25 to the north. 25. This is his left hand side. He is turning right 40 feet. Okay. Then this is his left. He is again turning right. Okay, 45. Yeah, I said this is 45. Then this is his left. Okay. Left for 20 kilometers. North 25, right 40, right 45, and left 20. Left 20. So this is his left. Place. I will draw smaller. Okay, then we will be able to fit this into the page. Okay. Child is here. North 25. This is his left. He goes right 40. This is his left. He goes right 45. Okay. Then he is here. This is his left. Forty, 45. Then he is going left 20. This is his left again 20. Then this is his left again 20. Okay. So he is now here. This is his start point. In which direction is the child from the starting point? Okay. Which direction is the child? This is his start point. And this is his end point. Which direction from the start point towards this direction? So answer is east. Okay. So just because there was a lack of space, I have drawn it smaller so that you can see the whole thing in one place. Okay. Yes, Om, east. Okay. So we take a break here for 10 minutes, and then when we come back, we will be seeing this. Okay, put in the chat box which questions from the earlier chapter, or which was the earlier chapter we did, number series you want me to do. Just put it over there. I'll be taking that after the break, or so 5 minutes, 10 minutes after the break, we will be doing those sums, and then we'll be coming back to directions. Okay, great. Everybody with me? Ashok ji, break le le. Okay, welcome back. There was some questions that I said I wanted to discuss with you about the number series. I'm going to take 2-3 sums on the odd man out. Okay, that was something that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so these are the odd man out. Means what? The series is given. Most of the numbers will be correct. They will be in a series, but there will be one which is out of the series. So we have to find out. Okay. So for example, we have this 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay. So in this series, what is the trend? That is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Right. Next will be 5 square, which is 25. But what do we have here? We have 19. So this will be the answer. So 19 will be the odd man out. Okay. The next question. 1, 5, 14, 30. I have 1, 5, 14, 30, 49, 55 and 91. Okay, let me take my calculator. Okay, so what do I have? 1 plus 4 will give me 5. Let me change the color. Okay, so 1 plus 4 will give me 5. 5 plus what will give me 14? So 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. Then 30 minus 14. 16. Then 49 minus 30. This is 49 minus 30 is 19. But can you see that this is 4, this is 9, this is 16, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square. So what should have the difference be? Difference should have been 25, that is 5 square. Okay, so what is the odd man? 49. So 49 will be the answer. Because after 30, you should get 55. Then after that, you have 36, right? 6 square is 36. So 36 plus 55, which is equal to 91. So this is correct. Okay, 36 to 55 to 91 is correct. Only we don't need a 49 in between. So 49, C will be the correct answer. No, not here. Here. We are doing the 58th sum. So A will be the correct answer. 57, 19 is the correct answer. So A, 58, A will be the correct answer. That is 49. Okay. This has nothing to do with here. Now the 59th sum. Oh, I have place here. 835, 734, 642, 751, 853, 981 and 532. Okay, if I see the difference, 835 minus 734, this is 101. Then 734 minus 642, answer is 92. 642 minus 751, 642 minus 751, it is 109. 751 minus 853, answer is 102. Okay, this is minus, this is again minus. So as you can see, this is going nowhere, right? This is going nowhere. So this is not the way. Okay, this is not the way. So now I see, because see, as it is, I could see one number is more, then next is less, then next is less, then again more, then again more, again more, then again it is coming down. So there is no arithmetic progression. Is it geometric? I doubt it. 835 divided by 734, I'm getting as 1.13. Then 734 divided by 642, I'm getting 1.14. Okay, so that doesn't look as a geometric also. Now what you have to see is, then you look at those numbers. Okay, you pay attention to the numbers. 835. Can you see here that 3 plus 5 is giving me 8? So the sum of the last two digits is giving me the first digit. Here also, 3 plus 4 is giving me 7. 4 plus 2 is giving me 6. But what happens here? 5 plus 1 is 6, but not 7. Let me verify. Let us see this also. 5 plus 3 giving me 8. 8 plus 1 giving me 9. And 3 plus 2 giving me 5. Okay, so in this case, 751 will be the odd man out. Okay, yes, this completes whatever I wanted to take in the number series. Okay, so let us go back to the sums and direction. I hope everybody, yes, let me check. Hello, ma'am, Mandeep. Yes. Sneha, very good. Kumalpreet. 58, 59, I have explained now. Asha, hope you've understood now. Yes. Kumalpreet. Yes, you can do it that way, sir. 59 में किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हो? एक दूसरे से? आयुष, आप किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हो? पल्लवी, yes, very nice. Amar is saying it's clear now. Chanchal. Okay, Chanchal has asked an important question. Which is a better option for CA aspirants? BCom or BCom honors or open and regular? Okay, it is up to you how you are able to take exams. Okay, whenever you are studying more for any subject, it is always going to help you. Okay, but provided you are able to handle the pressure and you're very good at time management. Okay, so do it accordingly. But I always feel you should go to college, enjoy college life also while you're doing your CA. Okay, but if you're living very far, you're not close to a city, or the colleges around your city, where you live are very far, then only you go for open education. Other than that, you can easily do that. 49. If Parlam is given the code 43. I think this is not a standalone question. Was it depended on the other coding they had given? 57. Let me check with the study material. Okay, just let me stop share. 40. Which is that number? Bipasha 49. Okay, Bipasha, I think here what has happened is that it must be part of some other question also. But let's see, 49, what is the answer? 49, answer is A. Let us try to do that and then we'll move to Palam is given the code 43. Palam. Okay. And then Santa Cruz. Okay, so just see what the addition of this will come to. What does P stand for? P is how much number series you have to see. You have to add them up. P, A is 1, L and M. Where is the number series here? Okay, let us see how much is Palam here. P is 16, A is 1, L is 12, A is 1 and Palam M is 13. How much is this? 13 plus 13, 26. 26 and 16. 26 and 16 is 42. No, this is 40, 43, right? Addition of 16 plus 1 plus 12 plus, and then if I go for Santa Cruz, Santa Cruz, S is how much? 19, then 1, N is 14, then T is 20, A is 1, C is 3, na? Yeah. R is 18, U is 21, and Z is 26. Let us very quickly add them up. 19 plus 15 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 26. So answer is 123 according to me. Okay, let me check. 26 plus 21 plus 18 plus 3 plus 1 plus 20 plus 14 plus 1 plus 19. Answer is 123. Okay. Answer to question number 49 is 123. A is the correct option. Understood? Yes. Yes, Asha. Yeah, very good. Om, Asha. 28 and 51 of number series. 28 we have already done. Chavi? Okay, this one and 51. Okay, so let me take directions and then we will come back to this. Okay, 28 and 51. I'll just note them down. 28 and 51. No problem. Let us continue with the number series. Otherwise, see, next time you will say, Ari, ma'am, you did not take that number series properly. Okay, we have done up till the 10th sum. Let us go to the 11th one. Okay. Yes, Priyanka. Chavi has also talked about 29. Okay. Yes, all clear. Very nice. Chavi, all okay. I will do that. Ayush is saying into 2 करने से answer आ जाता है. So, thank you, Ayush, for the input. Okay, now let us go to this chapter, whatever is left. Okay. Raju facing north. Okay, this is important. He's facing north. That is a normal thing. Okay. He moves north 20 kilometers. Then he turns right, moves 20 kilometers. Then he and then he moves 10 kilometers in the northeast. Okay, so now they've complicated it to northeast 10. Then he turns right and moves 20 kilometers. And he turns to his right and moves 20 kilometers. And then he turns left and moves 20 kilometers. In which direction is he facing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, he faces north, moves 20, turns right, moves 20, 10 kilometers to northeast, right to turns to his right and moves 10 kilometers, and 20 and moves again, turns left and 20. Okay. North 20, right 20, northeast 10, right 10, right 10, and left 20. 20, 20, 20. Okay. Okay. So if I start from Raju standing here facing north. Okay. How much is he going? 20 north, right? This is his left, right 20. Right 20. Okay. ये इसका left था, so this is right. This is his left. Then he moves northeast. Okay, from here I have to see that he is taking a direction that is northeast. So what is happening here? This is my north and this is my east and this is my northeast. Understood? So he is at this point. So think of him to be standing here. Okay. Think of him to be standing here. So he has to move in this direction. So he will move in the northeast. How much is that? 10. Okay. He's moving in the northeast and 10 kilometers. So this is his 10. So this is his left hand side. Then he turns right 20 kilometers. So he will do what? He goes right. This is his 20 kilometers. This is his left hand side. Then again right. So again right. How much? 20. This is also 20. Again, this is his left hand side. Then 20 and then left. Okay, then he goes left and 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now in which direction is he facing? Okay, so this is his north, this is his northeast, this is his southeast. Okay, this direction he is facing. So he is facing southeast. Understood? Yes. Yes, Lavya, southeast, because he is going in this direction. So this is southeast. Yes, easy? Yes, by the is saying easy? Yes. Lavya, yes, you could do that. Yes, very nice. Sakshi, yes. Let us quickly go. We try to solve as many as we can. Okay. K is in a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northeast. Okay. In the northwest direction. So K is where he, now this is a little different sum. He is in the northwest direction, 2 kilometers away from the capital P. Okay, now this is a difference. So distance between this K and P. So we can write it this way. This is not the usual direction. Let us, distances have been given. So K is a place which is located 2 kilometers in the northwest direction from the capital P. So I have P, okay, and in the northwest. So this is my northwest direction. How much? 2 kilometers is K. R is another place which is located 2 kilometers to the southwest from K. So southwest from K, 2 kilometers is R. Okay. M is another place which is located northwest to R. Northwest to R. Again 2 kilometers is M. T is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest from M. So T. What is the direction? In which direction is T located in relation to P? So you have to see from P. Okay. Be very careful. T to P है या P to T. Okay. Now we will try to write it down. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, there are 4 only. Okay. Now I take the place P. Okay. P, northwest, the northwest of P. So let me put this over here. North, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. Okay. Northwest from P is K. Northwest from P. So this is the direction. 2 kilometers is K. Then from K, southwest of K. Southwest of K. So this is my southwest. Southwest of K. 2 kilometers. I have R. R. So northwest of R is M. Northwest. Northwest is this direction. Northwest of R is M. Again 2 kilometers. Then southwest of M is T. Southwest of M. Southwest. So this direction of M is T. Now which direction is T located to P? So what are they asking? T. Okay. T from P. So from P, which is this direction? This is the west direction. Okay. Okay. I have told you the method. Now I will, as far as possible, try to do this directly. But in the while you're practicing, make sure that you're writing it down first. For simple sums, you can do it directly also. Yes, very good. All of you have answered it so well. Babu is Rahim's neighbor. So I have here Rahim. And his house is 200 meters in the northwest direction. Okay. North, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. Okay. Babu is Rahim's neighbor and his house is 200 meters northwest. This is northwest. So 200 meter is Babu. Joseph is Rahim's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters in the southwest. Okay, so this is Joseph, 200 meters southwest of Rahim. Gopal is Joseph's neighbor and he says 200 meters in the southeast direction. Southeast direction. So this is Gopal. He's staying in 200 meters. So Roy is Gopal's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the northeast. So this direction. Northeast from Gopal. So who is it? Roy. This is again 200 meters. In the north. In what position is Roy's house in relation to Babu? Okay. So Roy's house in relation to Babu. Roy's house in relation to Babu. So from Babu in relation to Babu. So means from when I am at Babu, where is Roy's house? Okay, the sentence. I'm always saying that the sentence is very important. From Babu to Roy's house. So which direction is this? This is the southeast direction. So this is the southeast direction. So you get this as the answer. Okay. Next question, 14th. A tourist drives 10 kilometers towards west. So west 10 kilometers, turns left and drives another 4 kilometers. Then he drives towards the east another 4 kilometers, and then he turns right and drives 5 kilometers. Afterwards, he turns left and drives 6 kilometers. Which direction is he from the starting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is his start point. Drives 10 kilometers towards the west. So west 10 kilometers. This is his left. Left 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers to the left. Then this is his left. And then he turns east. Okay, east means this side. 4 kilometers. Then he turns left. And then he turns right 5 kilometers. So this is 5 kilometers. Then 6 kilometers. Okay, so 6 kilometers. This is his left and this is his 6 kilometers. Okay, let this be the starting point. Now I will take it here. And which direction is he from the starting point? This is the start point and this is the end point. Okay. As you can see, this is 4 kilometers, this is 6 kilometers. Okay, and this is 10 kilometers. So therefore, these 2 points are in straight line. So from the start to the end, which direction is he from the starting point? So he is in the south direction. Okay. 15 sum. A man starts walking west, then he turns right, then right, and finally left. Towards which direction is he walking? Okay. A man walks towards the west. So this is his left. Then he turns right. Okay. So this is his right. Then he turns again right. And then he turns left. Okay. So in which direction is he walking now? He is walking towards the north direction. One evening, Raja starts walking towards the sun. Okay, now this is so important, where when we see the sun, we think about morning, but one evening is walking towards the sun. Okay, one evening he is walking towards the sun. After walking a while, he turns to his right. So where is he walking towards the sun? That means he is walking towards the west. Then he turns right and again right. After walking a while, he again turns right. Okay. So first sentence is implying he's walking towards the west. So this also you should be able to make out. So he's walking towards the west. Then this is his left. He turns right and walks towards, then this is his left. Okay. Then he turns right. Okay. And then again right. Okay. 1, 2, 3 rights. First right, second right, third right, because this was his left. Which direction is he facing? Which direction is he facing? He is facing the south direction. Okay. This is also a good one. 5 boys are sitting in a park in a circle. Okay. So I have a circle and this is my starting point. Not a good diagram. Sorry for that. This is my north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. 5 boys are sitting in a park. A is facing southwest. A is facing southwest. So A must be sitting here because this is the southwest direction. D is facing southeast. D is facing southeast. E and B and E are right opposite A and D. So B is here, E is here. C is equidistance between D and B. So D is here, B is here, so C will be sitting over here. Which direction is C facing? C is facing the east direction, right? Because this is the direction he's facing, so he's facing the east direction. Okay, I think I'll go directly to 22. This is what I want to take. No, 20 is also very important. Okay. Daily in the morning, the shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Bara Kaman, and in the evening, the shadow of Bara Kaman falls on Gol Gumbaz. Okay. And so, in which direction is? Okay, let me. So, you know, these are two very famous buildings. So, this is, say, suppose Bara Kaman. And this is, say, so, Gol Gumbaz. Okay, it may be the other way around. We'll just check. Daily in the morning. Okay, so let me put the sun in the east direction. In case you don't understand my drawing. Daily in the morning, the shadow of the Gol Gumbaz falls on Barakaman. Okay, this is correct. Shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Barakaman, and in the evening. So this is my east. And in the evening, the sun is going to go to the west. So sun will be here. So in the evening, the shadow of Bara Khamba will fall on Gol Gumbaz. So in which direction is Gol Gumbaz to Barakaman? So when I'm looking from Barakaman, in which direction is Gol Gumbaz? This direction. What is this direction? This is the east direction. Okay. So this was also a very interesting sum. Okay, X stands on his head with the face towards south. So his face is facing south. Okay, so he's facing south. In which direction will be his left hand? Okay, in which direction will be his left hand? Okay, if this is south, this is north. Okay, this is south, this is north. If this is north, this will be east and this will be west. Okay, this is his head position. Okay, so head position is this way. So what will happen? When I'm standing, what happens? Left hand is where? Left hand is towards the west. Now I'm standing upside down. Okay, I'm standing upside down. So where will the left hand be? It will be towards the east. Okay. He's facing south. I forgot about that. Okay. When I'm facing north. Okay. When I'm facing north, east is on the left is my west. Okay. Now what is happening? He's facing south, but he is turned upside down. Okay. This is very important. Is he is standing on his head. So once he's standing on his head, what happens is that again it is going to be that he's going to left hand will be where? Left hand will be pointing towards the west. Okay. This is because he is upside down. When I'm standing, okay, when I'm standing on my left, and when I'm standing facing the north, on the left is my west side. Okay. Here what is happening? He is upside down and facing south. He is upside down and facing south, and so therefore what will happen to his left? The west will be towards his left. Any other I want to take? 24. What will be on the left hand side? Okay. When you're standing facing north, what is to your left? West is towards your left. Okay. But now you're standing on your head. So it is this direction. Like you are like this. So what will be towards your left? Will be the east direction. Okay. Let me see which is one more important sum that I must take. Okay, let's take 31. I stand with my back, with my right hand extended towards the south. Okay, this is Sachin. So this is his left hand. This is his right hand. Okay. With my right hand extended towards the south. So this is his south. Okay. Now what is happening? So if this is the south, this will be the north. Okay. If this is the south, this will be his north. And if this is the north, which direction will this be? This will be the east. And what direction will this be? This will be the west. So that means what? If his right hand is towards the south, then what direction is he facing? He is facing which direction? He is facing the east direction. And so where will his back be? His back will be towards the west. Okay. So his back will be towards the west. What else can I take before this? 33rd. Okay. If Mohan sees the rising sun behind the temple, okay, so there is a temple. And you see the rising sun behind the temple. And the setting sun behind the railway station. So there is a railway station, a railway station. Okay, the sun is here. And setting sun is behind the railway station from his house. What is the direction of the temple from the railway station? So his house is here. This is Mohan's house. So he can see the rising sun from behind the temple. and he can see the settings, sun setting across the railway station. Okay. So, but what they're asking, what is the direction of the temple from the railway station? Okay. So here, what is the direction of the temple from the railway station? From the railway station, when I go to the temple, which direction am I moving? I'm moving in the east direction. Okay. Thirteenth question, love you. Yes, Anjali, mountain भी draw करवा लेंगे. 13th question, what happened in the 13th? Okay, yes, that question is a bit tricky. Okay, you have to just read through very carefully. Yes, love you, very nice. 17, Tanvi is saying a different answer. 17, what is happening in 17? Seventeenth, D is facing southeast. Now in the question it is given southeast, no? 17th question. A is facing southwest, D is facing southeast. Yes, yes, Apurva's question. Let us take this. Radha moves towards southeast, a distance of 7 kilometers. Okay. The Apurva, what happens is that I don't have a free page, I think. Okay. Let me just see this. Radha moves towards southeast. Okay, so if Radha is here, she is moving southeast 7 kilometers. Then she moves towards west and travels a distance of 14 kilometers. West travels a distance of 14 kilometers. And from there, she moves northwest. Okay, she moves northwest, this direction, 7 kilometers. And finally, she moves in a distance of 4 kilometers towards east. 4 kilometers towards east. How far is she from the starting point? So, Apurva, your starting point is here. This is the start point. This is your end point. How far is she from the starting point? See, this is parallelogram. 7 kilometers, 7 kilometers, 14. So this is 4 kilometers. So how much will this distance be? This will be 10 kilometers. Okay, 14. 14 minus 4. So you will have 10 kilometers. C will be the answer. Yes, Vaidehi, please check answer of 32 ohm. Let us see. If a person moves 4 kilometers towards west, okay, 4 kilometers towards west, this is his left direction, then he turns right, moves 3 kilometers, and then turns right. So this is again his left, he's moving 6 kilometers. Which direction is he moving now? He's moving towards the east direction. Yes, 32 ohm, east will be the answer. 33, east is the answer, yes. 28th question, Palli, Harshita. A walks southwards, okay, from here southwards. So this is the left, then turns right, okay, this is a left, then walks left, and then this is the left, turns right, This will be the right. In which direction is she from the point, starting point? Okay. So A walks south, then turns right, then turns left, and then turns right. Okay. So which direction is this? Because see, ideally the answer should have been southwest, but since they have given north, south, east, west, so best answer is no, south. Okay, best answer, because this is the start point and this is the end point. Which direction am I moving? I'm moving this direction, so which is towards the south. Okay. $31. This is my north. Okay, what you are saying is if this is my north, okay, yeah, wait. Okay, this if this just please pay attention. This time I made a mistake. This is my north. If I'm faced, this is my north, then this has to be east, right? North, east, south, and west. Okay. When I am facing north, my east will be to my right. Okay, and left to the right. Now he's what? This is his south. This is north. So his hand is to the south. This is to the north. So towards which direction will his back be? His back will be towards the west. West is okay, na? This is correct. Oh, this only here I have written it wrong. This is correct. 36. I don't have the question only. What is the question? I don't have Sneha. Nahi, Asha. Okay. That's all. I think that's all for today. Yeah. Keep practicing. Any doubt, any particular question, you can always tell. So like we took the doubt clearing also today. So similarly, as and when I find the time, I will take up 1 or 2 questions. Just keep me posted. Okay. Thank you all for your patient hearing. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Yes, Apurva, the topic is crystal clear. Vaidehi, did I do my CA with BCom? No, I did with my MSc. Okay, so I'm a physics graduate, postgraduate in physics, and then I've done my CA. Okay, yes. Ashok, हो गया? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, bye.